I was sent this to show you. If you're stiff or sore from long days, this helps you unwind fast. This full body mat opens flat or folds easily, and the head cutout keeps it comfortable in any position. It uses 660 nanometers red light for the surface of the skin and 850 nanometers near infrared light that reaches deeper into muscles and tissue. Full layer coverage in one session. You can use it flat or fold it into a cocoon. It's also perfect in a recliner while watching TV and making it easy to fit into a daily wellness routine. Each panel has its own controller, so you can adjust them individually. Choose from 5 intensity levels, set your timer, or switch to pulse mode for deeper stimulation. You can unzip it into 2 pieces for even more flexibility. Each half works on its own. It works just as well on the floor for stretching or post-workout recovery. The soft hypoallergenic TPU material is comfortable, easy to wipe clean, and surprisingly portable for its size. If you want a full-body red light option that's simple, customizable, and incredibly relaxing, this one fits right into a daily wellness routine.